So primary succession is the primary stage of growth of the plants in a new land. That, that is the primary succession. In primary stage, the plants will grow. The plant will first grow, and the growth of the plant that may occur for some particular period of the time. So the plants that are first to grow and aggregate are called as pioneers. The plant which grow and aggregate in a primary stage that are called pioneers. Primary community or primary colonizers. So that's coming as a primary community or primary colonizers. So this typical pioneer species that may be lichens, algae, and fungi. In case of plants, which are the primary community or primary colonizers, that includes lichens and algae and fungi. These are the typical pioneer species. So after their growth at initial stage, so these plants that are grown and they may produce their own food. Okay. Then secondary succession. What happens in secondary succession? In this, the area which is previously occupied by well-developed communities, on that land, the growth of the plants takes place. So the older community or which is lost, the plants that are destroyed, that community that have been lost due to fire, cyclones, landslides, drought, or due to flood situations. So that type of community is replaced by new community. So area is usually rich in nutrients, hence secondary succession is faster and takes place in shorter period. Suppose एका जमिनीमध्ये आपण एखादं पीक घेतलंय. It may be wheat or rice, sugarcane. So after the growth, then that crops are replaced by new crops. So that area of land after their growth, then, area becomes fertile due to due to replacement of the crops. That area of land becomes more productive. In a shorter period, that area becomes productive. So it is rich in nutrients that will be useful for other types of crops. So forest, suppose revival of the forest after fire. मी ऐकलं असेल जंगलामध्ये ज्यावेळेस आग लागते ड्यू टू फायर, what happens? All the forest will get come under fire. So whole area of the forest is destroyed. So that forest area that destroys the different plant species that are growing in the forest. So that plants will be replaced by new plants. So the seeds of the that plants which are destroyed, that will remain in the soil. Their seeds, underground organs like bulbs, tubers, some aerial shoots, and roots remain in the uh, soil. After receiving rain showers, gradually that the plants and trees begin to again grow. After destruction, again that plants which are sowed in the ground, in the soil, they will grow after the rainfall. Again, that land forest will come to original stage. That will return to state of the original ecosystem. पूर्वीच्या कंडिशन मध्ये येते परत ओरिजिनल कंडिशन मध्ये. Again, that plants are grown, new types of crops, plants that may be grown on that land. In this way, this process will continue. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Succession. Ecological succession. This is a secondary succession. This is the process. So this succession, in case of grassland ecosystem, similarly for pond water ecosystem, so for both the cases, it will be applicable. So succession beginning aquatic environments like ponds and lakes, that succession is called hydrarch succession. The succession which begins in the aquatic environment, म्हणजे the succession process of succession in the ponds, river, seas, lakes. So that process of succession is known as hydrarch succession that occurs in the ponds and lakes. जे पाण्यात जे प्लांट्स वाढतात त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Hydrarch succession. So these plants will grow in the water. So there are stages of this hydrarch succession that are called hydrospheres. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Hydrospheres. Hydrarch succession. There are different stages of hydrarch succession. इथे दिलेलं पहा. Hydrosphere and geosphere. This is a hydrosphere. In case of hydrarch succession. So there are stages are there. Stages of growth of this plant. First stage क्या है? Phytoplankton stage. So in the hydrarch succession, phytoplanktons and zooplanktons are the pioneer colonizers. So that include blue-green algae, green algae, diatoms, bacteria are the first organism to colonize. Colonize means they rehabilitate. They form the communities in the water. Formation of this green algae, green plants, bacteria, diatoms in the water. It forms the organisms. So it forms the community. So this community, after their death, new communities form. It forms a large amount of organic matter. All these organisms add large amount of organic matter after their death. Then new organisms are formed, new communities form. So this is the first stage, phytoplankton stage. These are the plants which is grow in the water. These phytoplanktons occur at a depth of the 20 to 10 feet in water. Depth किती असते? Depth of these plants, phytoplankton, having 20 to 100 feet. 20 to or 10 to 20 feet in water. This is the first stage. In second stage is the submerged stage. After phytoplankton stage, next stage is submerged stage. So next stage, there are different stages are there. The time is over. Submerged stage, floating stage, then red swam stage, sage meadow stage, or marsh meadow stage, woodland stage, forest stage. These are the various stages of this succession. Next lecture, we'll see this submerged stage and remaining stages. Everyone give attendance in chat box. Here we'll stop. समजलं सगळ्यांना काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का? समजलं नसेल तर विचारा. Everyone give attendance in chat box.